What if the key to reviving one of the world's most iconic tech giants lies in going back to its roots, while charging ahead into AI's future? That's exactly what Intel's new CEO, Lip-Bu Tan, is betting on. At Intel Vision 2025, Tan laid out a bold new course to reclaim Intel's leadership in the semiconductor industry, and it starts with engineering, execution, and customer trust. If you're into AI, semiconductors, or tech leadership, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your input helps this channel grow and improves the content for everyone. Lip-Bu Tan isn't a stranger to success. With a proven track record as former CEO of Cadence Design Systems and as a key venture capitalist behind startups like Annapurna Labs and Nuvia, now vital parts of Amazon and Qualcomm, he brings a pragmatic, startup-driven mentality to Intel. His first move? Double down on engineering excellence and listen to customers with brutally honest feedback. Tan is cutting through bureaucracy and giving engineers more autonomy to build and innovate. He plans to meet directly with top architects to identify both roadblocks and opportunities. And he's not doing it alone. His connections to some of the brightest minds in chip design may prove to be a secret weapon in Intel's turnaround. On the business front, Tan is streamlining Intel's operations. That means focusing on core competencies, shedding non-essential ventures, and investing heavily in foundry services to build flexible, secure supply chains. His goal? Compete head-on with industry titans like TSMC by advancing Intel's 18A process technology, set to hit high-volume production later this year. Speaking of innovation, Intel's roadmap is being reshaped for the AI era. Michelle Johnston Holthouse, head of Intel Products, stressed the importance of integrated platform design rather than one-off wins. Enter Panther Lake, Intel's next-gen AI-native PC platform, already sampling to partners and expected to launch in early 2026. It's built to showcase the capabilities of the new 18A process and includes new CPU and GPU architectures that focus on performance per watt. Jim Johnson, head of Intel's Client Computing Group, says 18A is risk production ready, a key milestone proving the tech is manufacturing worthy and already meeting early validation standards from customers. In the data center, Intel is ramping up with new Xeon 6 chips, Sierra Forest, and Granite Rapids. These CPUs are built for hyperscale environments, boasting better core density, energy efficiency, and memory bandwidth. Meanwhile, Intel's Gaudi 3 AI accelerators, now available via IBM Cloud, offer a cost-effective alternative for developers looking for scalable AI performance without being locked into proprietary ecosystems. Together, Panther Lake, Lunar Lake, Xeon 6, and Gaudi 3 form the backbone of Intel's AI and compute strategy, spanning devices from the client to the cloud. But Tan knows real change isn't just about silicon, it's about culture. He's pushing for a more agile, team-oriented Intel that attracts top talent, breaks down silos, and puts the customer at the center of every decision. Tan's vision is humble yet ambitious. Rebuild the brand on engineering excellence, realign around customer needs, and execute with discipline. With Panther Lake and the 18A process as the first major tests, Intel's journey back to relevance is already underway. This transformation won't happen overnight, but as we head into the second half of 2025, expect major shifts in how Intel operates, competes, and innovates. One thing's for sure, under Lip-Bu Tan, all eyes are back on Intel. If you want to keep up with Intel's evolution and the broader AI hardware race, check out the related video in the corner for more insights.